Welcome to SeedProd. In this video, I will show you just how simple it is to add amazing AI-generated images to your website by using this incredible new SeedProd feature. To get started with SeedProd, you can head over to seedprod.com and click on Get SeedProd Now and select the account that makes the most sense for you. You can find the link in the description as well. If you need help installing SeedProd, you can find a link to a video in the description that'll help you do so. Here I am inside of the WordPress dashboard, and on the left-hand side, I have SeedProd installed already. And I'm just going to do a simple landing page today. You can build a full website with SeedProd if you want to. I'm just going to do a simple landing page today to create an image inside of it. At the bottom here, we can see Add New Landing Page. I'm going to click on this button. And SeedProd comes with all of these pre-made templates that you can import. You can create one from scratch if you wish with the blank template. I'm going to pick a simple template here. This is the Oops Bird 404 page. We'll click the check mark here to import this. I'll just call mine AI Images just for a test, and we'll save and start editing the page. Great, now we can see the SeedProd page builder, and on the right-hand side, we have our landing page here. On the left-hand side, we have our blocks that we can pull into the page, so it's very simple to create fancy pages. And you can get it as advanced or as simple as you like. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this image, and we're gonna go ahead and put our own in here. Up the top at search blocks, you just search for image, and we can just drag this block in here. Let's go ahead and select this block settings, the cogwheel right here. And on the left-hand side, we can add with AI an image. You can use your own image or a stock image. Let's go ahead and click on Add with AI. And here you have your prompts that you can input for image generation. There's some suggested prompts here that you can use. I'm going to try to do a realistic image of a woman holding her arms up in confusion. We'll go ahead and generate the image. And there you go. You can see the preview of the image. If you like this image, you can simply insert it into the page. You'll also notice when you highlight this in the block settings on the left-hand side, we now have the Edit with AI option. Let's go ahead and click on this. And now you can generate with a prompt. You can do variations, or you can edit the image. Let's go ahead and click on variations, and we can generate some variations here. Now here's a couple different examples. Now, if you didn't like these examples, you can hit the back button and we can simply keep using the one that we want to use, or you can try again. I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Image. And here we can erase an area on the canvas and enhance it with a prompt. So for example, I'm going to select her shirt. I'm just going to try to change the color. So if I select all of this, we can do this. And here it says to provide a detailed prompt for the entire image, including specific instructions for the erase area. So realistic image of a woman holding her arms up in confusion. Her shirt is green. Let's see how well this does. We'll do generate new image. Excellent. We have a couple variations here. I'm going to select the one on the right. There we go. Now that we have a little bit of green on her shirt, it now matches the rest of the website. And of course, like any other image inside of SeedProd, you have all of the options for alignment. You can link this. You have the templates. So for example, if you want to add a shadow underneath here or a border or any other options here. You also have advanced for shadows. If you want to add a shadow, image borders, you have spacing, attributes, device visibility, and animation effects. Once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and save this, and you can publish your page. Now keep in mind, you can do this anywhere inside of SeedProd with any of the images. So you can import a template or a theme, and then update your images quickly and easily to help create your website. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit seedprod.com and check out our documentation page where you can find helpful step-by-step explanations. If you need any extra technical help, please visit our contact page and reach out to our support team.